See, this is a good ghost. Look at our taste. It's an igloo. Today, and this tree, they go, look at the apple. Elephant.
Good morning, Karen.
Elephant.
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 I want to go home.
Are you ready to go home?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. You ready to see Obi and Mima?
No.
No.
I want to go down.
If you're watching this, Mima, I'm sorry.